I didn't really slide on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me.
What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, cleaning some makeup. I wanted to do another, I know I already did it, so what? Okay, but I wanted to do another Valentine's Day glam. We are going to be jumping right into it, and as you can see, I don't have nothing down, and I'm actually starting off with my face first. So we want to jump into moisturizer. Matter of fact, I did my face this morning, so we don't need to do the moisturizer. If you want to know my moisturizer that I use, you can check it out in my last video, okay? So we are going to be jumping into primer. So for primer, we're going to be jumping into the Rare Beauty, child. We're going to be smacking this all on the face. What's been going on with you, boo? What you been doing? My week is doing pretty good, you know? Staying out the way, you know what I'm saying? Doing everything I need to do, you know? That's just the vibe, okay? I'm actually getting ready because my daughter will be 5 February the 13th. Yes, I got a baby the day before Valentine's Day, okay? So I'm actually doing that, getting ready for her birthday. I really don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I just know for a fact, like, I want to get into a look today. I definitely want to get into a look, child. I'm jumping into this jewelry. Some stuff I always use, so if I don't say it, that's because I always use it, okay? If it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? Jewelry has actually been my new little thing I've been doing. I kind of like the consistency with this. I don't use a color correct, you know what I'm saying? So I use my regular undertone. I've noticed that it's been the vibe for me. I've noticed, like, it does it for me. Like, it gives me everything that I need and it doesn't bleed through, you know? So that's why I love doing just my natural tone first and then put the highlight on, you dig? I'm putting on some Hourglass now. I just like a little pop every now and then. And you know, we ain't gotta always do the pop. You can always get rid of the pop, but the pop always stays over here. You dig? Be like a little jazzy. But yes, boo, what's been going on? This year has really had me busy. Like, really, like, I just been real busy. I'm glad that I'm busy, but sometimes, like, I don't feel like it. I just want to go to sleep, okay? I woke up this morning like, I don't feel like getting up. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do for you, baby, okay? Discipline is its best tool. Discipline yourself. That's what's wrong with y'all. Y'all don't never want to discipline yourselves. It's the best thing to do, okay? And that's what I've been doing lately. I've been just real focused on disciplining myself. Because if you don't discipline yourself, child, you be around here being a hot mess. If ain't nobody gonna tell you you a hot mess, I'm gonna tell you you a hot mess. Okay? It's like, no, don't pay me no mind, y'all. I'm crazy. But yeah, I'm just actually jumping into this Danessa Maverick and just laying there. The structure that you just be needing every once in a while. You want something you can control, and I can control this contour. Know that. So yeah, we gonna do Fenty Beauty. This is the Cocoa Naughty over top. My boos, y'all know what I be using, but you know, for the new ones, hey. But you know, it's all right. It's okay. We gonna make it anyway. All right, so now let's just get in here. Lately, y'all, I just been dragging this all over top of my eye too, and I'm gonna do these eyebrows. But I don't know how this eyebrow gonna be, but we gonna get the eyebrows done, okay? I did my face first in my last video for the first time, and I said, oh, it's a go for me. This is what we gonna do. This is how we gonna kick it. We gonna kick it like this from now on. Might be a little bit more because I done thinned that out a little bit. You know, I like my stuff to pop just a little bit. I look like a ghost right now, but it's all right because we gonna get it together. You know, don't you talk no shit. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm definitely start off with my eyes, jumping into the Love Tati Stacey Marie palette. And it's because, look, I mean, she gives you Valentine's Day, you dig? So we're gonna start off with Bloom. Actually, this color right here, and we're gonna stamp Bloom. What I need to do is just take this, and I'm gonna just do this before I even get into my eye. Once I start with the eyes, I don't even want to stop. Take that Laura Mercier. And back to these eyes, okay? Blowing it softly out. Next, we're going to be jumping into Pink Lily and just bring that out. Let's bring it out pink. Ooh, that consistency. You know, this is why Stacey Marie always is like, that's why I love. You know, like, stop playing, Stace. And her name got a nerve to be named Stacey. Formula is always the best when it comes to me. You gotta have something with a good formula. Let me stamp that out. We gonna jump into something a little bit darker. Chili pepper. We gonna jump into some chili pepper. And we just gonna make that real close on the inner V. Like a little bit on the outer part of the lid, but making that a little bit darker. So I'm gonna take this Pink Raver by P. Louise. We gonna line these eyes up real quick. Yo, when I tell y'all I haven't did a wing line in like months. I want to do lilac right here. I just want to take lilac and just stamp that right over top. I be having creases on my lids, and sometimes I be swearing like I got the creases, like, and then I be looking like, oh, no you didn't crease. You wasn't doing that just a minute ago. I know some of my videos y'all peeped it like, ooh, shh, shh. I'm gonna just do some corners in my eyes real quick. I really just held my breath. like it gets deep with these. Yeah, I want to do pink eye and put it right here in my crease. I don't want to put it nowhere else. They looking decent. Like, you know I got you, boo. Stop playing. So I want to dust it under there just a little bit. Let me jump on this mascara and pull these lashes out so we can prep for lashes. Alright, so now since I have that down, let me hook up these eyebrows really quick. It's so crazy because I usually do my eyebrows first. but being challenging today. I didn't even do anything from my top. I just did my corner. I kind of don't even want to do anything to my top a little bit. I kind of want to keep it like that. Like, bro, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Let me contour my nose too, because I don't know if y'all seen in my other video, but I definitely forgot to contour my nose. I forgot. Shit. Let me contour it down. Y'all gonna see the difference. When I'm doing natural though, I don't contour the whole thing. I just keep it here and then just blend that part out. So now I'm gonna line these eyes up real quick, boo, because I have to. You know, why not? I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to mess this makeup up. I'm inside of the Hudy Beauty already, so I'm just gonna take this cute little gold right here. Let me jump into some Fenty foundation powder. Take that off, you know. For highlight, since I have this right in my hand, I'm going to jump right into what I put on my brow bone and put it right on my cheek. And I love that you can use eyeshadows sometimes for highlight. It like does something to your skin, like real rad. All right, let me do my lips. We're gonna be putting on this P. Louise. This has been my fave, man. This is the Whip So You Can. A little goes a long way. Then I'm gonna jump into this Pat McGrath lip. This is the Dreamscape. I just want a little glitter. So yes, my boo, this is definitely the final look, but I wanted to complete this look. I'm doing something real cute with my hair. So real quick, I wanted to get me some Eco Gel and some pink glitter. And I just wanted to take some of this and I wanted to kind of like put it on my hair. I had did this for a photo shoot. So I was like, yo, I kind of want to do this on my channel for my boos that maybe want to jazz up your hair or whatever. So all I did was sprinkle some glitter, and you can do any type of glitter, hair, nail glitter, whatever. And I'm just going to take this and like mix it around with the gel. I also want to put these little white ones in here, and then like, look, it come out like this. And I'm not doing a lot, but I just wanted to take it and lay it on my head. Not all over my head, but just certain parts. I'm always doing something. But so what? So what? Ooh, look at that. Don't that look pretty? Yeah, I'ma shape it. So my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, boo. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.